Local party committees sometimes need to add information to a report or fix errors after e-filing with OCPF. To begin, log into Reporter 7 at the OCPF homepage. Click the All Reports tile. Choose the year and report that needs to be amended. In this example, we need to amend an incorrect contribution amount. From the Summary page, click the Receipts schedule. Locate the contribution and click the Edit button. Make the edit and click Save. Return to the Summary page. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Enter a reason for the amendment and click the E-File Amendment button. If an amendment is made to a report that changes the ending balance, the starting balances on subsequent reports, if any, must also be amended.